chicken sausages with apples. Okay, the start of my stir-fried vegetable night. Okay, whatever. Y'all hear that? I did it. Man, look at that. That's going to be delicious. Green beans, yellow peppers, red onions, mushrooms, peas, corn. What else I got in there? Oh yeah, red sweet onions, carrots, those andouille chicken sausages with apples in them. Wow, that looks delicious, y'all. What y'all think? Kale, I forgot to mention there's kale in there also, guys. Yep, I forgot to cut that stem up. I'll get it. Look at that. That is delicious. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Turn the heat down now. There you go. There you go. Stay tuned. Okay. Well, that's finished and looking delicious. All right. Oh, yeah. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh, I forgot. I also have some delicious sweet potatoes over here with extra brown sugar in them. Extra cane sugar, not brown, but cane. Looks good. What y'all think, huh? All right. Well, guys, here it is. Stir-fried vegetables with andouille chicken sausage with apples. My beet detox juice with lemons and mango cranberry juice in it. Corn muffin. Guess I'll grab a couple of vitamins. Not too many I take this late at night, but I can get a couple. Here we go. There. That is salmon oil. That is vitamin C. That's for your heart. This one is turmeric, and that one is ashwagandha. So guys, I must eat my dinner. God bless you all. Have a marvelous evening. And always know that Jesus Christ loves you. And if you don't know him, he's there for you to know and to learn who he is. Romans chapter 10, verses 8, 9, and 10. Look it up. God bless you all. See ya. And Facebook, I don't own the rights to the music, so don't cancel my video because of the music, because it's God's music, and I love it. Bye. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Next time.